Guys, guess what? I'm in ketosis. All right, so let me show you the levels. This is a gauge. I had a couple other people test it just to make sure like everything was going on. But if you actually go to the graph, let me go here to the keto levels. So you'll see when we first started on the first video, we were ones, worked our way up to a 2, worked our way up to a 3, 4, had a 6, went down to a 5, and then back 6 this morning, and then a straight 6s again. All right, so let me show you guys that this keto diet is actually working. So we're going to connect the device. Let's go and connect this device. And so now we have some time to warm up. But like, I want to say like overall, you know, just eating and doing the keto diet, like I don't feel hungry. Like it's actually super crazy. And I'm satisfied with everything that I eat because I have my beautiful wife obviously cooking amazing things, as you guys see. But overall, I'm super impressed. I'm probably down like 6 or 7 pounds already, which is pretty good. You know, figuring that I had a whole bunch of cake the other day and a little bit of alcohol and, you know, some other stuff. So I would say we're on a good track, and I'm really impressed with this pen. I love that it's just so like mobile. Like, I can take it anywhere. I don't have to go piss in the bathroom on strips. I don't have to go pay for more money to get more strips. Like everything's right here and it's good to go. And it like keeps me on track, which is like really, really cool. But after we do this and I show you that I'm fully in ketosis, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a full before and after video. So I'm gonna do the before, showing my full body before, and then I'm gonna do a 1 month, 2 month, 3 month transformation to show you guys what this keto can do to your body. All right, so we're at 84%. We're stabilizing, prepare to blow, and it gives you a couple hints, which I showed you guys before, but let's go and get ready. Boom, 7, baby. Yeah, buddy. All right, we're at level 7. Guys, if you're not subscribed, hit that bell below, like this video, follow me on this journey. I'm excited, so should you.